Welcome to our exploration of the Hidone Denture set. Today, we'll dive into what this product is all about and whether it lives up to the hype. Let's take a look at what makes the Hidone Denture set stand out from the competition. From its innovative materials to its user-friendly design, there's a lot to cover. Using the Hidone Denture set is simple. Here's a step-by-step guide to ensure you get the most out of your new dentures. But don't just take our word for it. Here are some testimonials from real users who shared their experiences with the Hidone Denture set. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Is the Hidone Denture set a worthwhile investment, or are there too many downsides to consider? When it comes to dentures, how does the Hidone set measure up against traditional options? Let's break down the benefits and drawbacks. Let's discuss the cost. Is the Hidone Denture set affordable compared to traditional options? We'll analyze the pricing details. With any product, it's essential to identify potential scams. We'll analyze the claims made by the Hidone Denture set and look at their marketing strategies. What do dental professionals think? We've gathered insights from experts in the field about the efficacy and safety of the Hidone Denture set. To wrap things up, is the Hidone Denture set worth your money or just another scam? Here are our final thoughts.